Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add world clock to Android lock screen. So just simply you will just see, you will type date and time, and there is the option home screen world clock widget. So you will just go home back and hold the screen. You hold the screen and you will just add widget. So from there you can slide it to find world clock. So there you will see there is a world clock and it will be added on your home screen. It's very simple to add world clock on lock screen or home screen. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.